know what you're doing, you're confident, you can go. My name is Paul, I'm one of the coaches here, so my job with the coaching team is to develop the athletes from the moment they come in to hopefully achieve whatever it is they're looking for in the sport, and to enjoy the sport as part of their sort of their lives and their fitness journey, really. So our aims are to get everybody competing at whatever level they want to do, and to get them to try out different distances, different sports, see where they fit in, and then as they grow up and as they develop, as their interests change, to try and push them and get them to compete and succeed, so that they're very happy with what they do as part of their hobby.
You could have got right. I won my race.
How many were on the phone here?
2 people.
You're in lane 2 and go that way.
I'm still feeling my illness because I got sick like the week before.
Yeah.
And I got so rolled, like I burnt up after like a kilometre. I wasn't even running that fast in the first place.
When my race started, it started pouring down. And it was awful.
Yeah.
The screens are quite cool though.
It's a really cool track because it's like
underground. How would I normally?
I'd be able to normally speak if people actually came to the tracks. Maybe if Murray, Daniel, Tommy, Matthew, everyone came.
I actually think Tommy's dead.
Aubrey, could you give us an overview of who you are, what your PBs are, and what you run, what events you run?
Around 1500,
1500 metres, 800, 158. Yeah.
That's correct, isn't it? He actually runs that.
Does he?
No.
Oh. What do you run?
1500 I run 413, and then 1500 steeplechase 440, but sub 430, trust, I can definitely do that.
The lot chemistry questions after each set.
I don't think
2 minutes of chemistry questions between sets.
topic 6 and 7 are quite difficult, but 8, 9 and 10
What is
are fine.
methane?
Methane?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. You mean methane?
No, methane.
That's not going to come in. That's not the question in the test.
That always. Don't step sideways. This side, Aubrey. On the leg leads. Oh, with a nice strong heel pick up and through. So boy stays still, then further heel. So pick the heel up and over, okay? Pops. The heel up and through. Boy stays tall, Jude, looking right down the check. Thought it's not.
Yeah.
I ran 19:10 that day, but it's not bad.
Hundreds. 3 250s, 3 200s, 3 150s, 3 100s, then 550s. So not 3/4 of a lap. I will get confused, so do try and remember where you need to be. If you're new, then don't worry, someone will tell you. So, I think we can between those.
£6.
Best purchase of my life.
What? Not these trainers?
Oh, these trainers, these are like
if you're looking at taking, that would be running 900 metres and
Good
having
promotion in there.
that's a bit too
We're not sponsored. Not sponsored. Not sponsored.
And we got down to 4.
tone. I wanna bounce the bone, I wanna mess with it. I wanna lay to the veil, a whole crew on the seal. I want the preacher appeal, I wanna bless with it. I wanna head to a mass to get cast in it. A shit's funnier than any A class in it. I wanna talk to the clown who has apologies down, pay him £300 and take a class in it. I wanna bite the phone, I wanna bleed the town. I wanna see you alone, 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 alone. I wanna straight the shack, I find me someone to pack. Like the light when it's dark, it's dark, it's dark, it's dark. A few stairs about, make it feel like peace in a way.
It's fluffy.
It's so hot.
It is.
Which line is it?
It's that one.
I stopped it.
How's that first rep?
I'm definitely breathing,
Take that.
but it's quite warm.
You can do 3 if you want, you need to get 2 if you want. Halfway down the back straight, are you going to? 3, 2.
Consolation got a twist in it. For a GPO and all the hits in it. I'm gonna hit your business if it's momentary business. I'm gonna hit your business if it's momentary business. I'm gonna hit your business if it's momentary business. I'm gonna hit your business if it's momentary. I wanna talk with a gag if it's a bottle or bag. I wanna strike with the sack, I need the fan from it. I want a shot in the dark, I wanna make me mac. I wanna lift the yak, I call the ends on it. I wanna take the truth, whatever lands on it. My God-given insanity, it depends on it.
You know when you swallow and like your throat closes together and you feel like it stinks?
Yeah. Like that.
Yeah, it feels right now. But I need to drink, it'll go away.
So how was that session for you?
It's tough. I mean, 300s in this heat are always long. And then as it gets less, obviously you go quicker. And then the heat, yeah, it really burns.
You looking forward to core?
Yeah, July.
You sure?
2 limbs move at a time, other 2 are rock steady. The extension is right the way out to a toe tap. Nice and controlled. Off you go. Stay go and
Try and keep
moving.
that
Stay
90
nice
degree.
and rocked up at 90.
That's it. Yeah, that's good.
That one. Mini bicycle riding, we've got 1 minute, full extension. Off you go. Bicycle riding needs to be nice and mini and nice and long. So you head back and right up in the sky. Right, we've got far enough now in the start walking up onto your hands and walking that down. Nice and strong positions. Make sure you're hinging at the hip. Okay, keep the core engaged, keep the body nice and long. Keep that core engaged, keep those working. Keep wobbling. The muscles in your feet and ankle are not strong enough, and your neural pathway between your head and your ankle isn't there. So essentially big flat foot shoes have basically meant your feet haven't ever had to do the work they're supposed to do, so that the muscle there, and your brain has never learned to do it, and you may well find that the stabilisation of your ankle is coming from your quad and your calf rather than from your ankle and foot muscle.
So you keep on doing it when it just like...
So it will, if you keep doing this, and if you get one of those bands, so you can just hook it onto a table or something, and pull it this way and pull it that way, it will soon get there. It's just about teaching your brain, then your foot and ankle do the work, rather than your calf and your quad. Your chance of pulling up a quad or ankle, calf injury caused by a lack of stability in your feet, and do balance on 1 foot with no shoes on, because if you do 1 foot balance with no shoes on, with shoes on, feel how many more muscles in your feet are working, and that teaches all the muscles in your feet that are weak. And if you do it regularly, you'll actually see the shape of your foot change. There's a load of muscles on that top of the foot that I wouldn't have bet are pretty much non-existent. Though they'll just take a bit of training.
You ain't gonna go from the gun. You're gonna take conservative.
That is going from the gun from the start. If you want to go into 410.
Yeah. Sweet.
Just got to stay locked in throughout the race, not burn up.
You're the only
Maybe take an entire energy gel before instead of half to give you extra energy.
Yeah, your second spin.
Good straight.
Soon are you racing at the weekend?
Serena, what are you racing this weekend?
1500.
What do you wanna run?
Under 5 minutes.
Not bad, not bad.
I'm